Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F-150 Super Crew. This has the limited package and the EcoBoost engine. It's running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour. And those LED headlight surrounds don't flicker the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that for us. So it does have the fog lights and the tow hooks up front, alloy wheels. These have power deploying running boards, tailgate step, spray on bedliner, power sliding back window, and this handle actually comes out like that, and all that's in steel frames as well. So it does have dual exhaust, tow package. Okay, let's go ahead and take a tour of the interior. These rear seats are heated, and it does have a 110 volt outlet right there. All right, and then you look up and you see that it does have dual panoramic sunroofs. There's your keypad. There are your power deploying running boards. And I'll go ahead and show you the VIN right here. There we go. Here are the seats, and you see the center button right there. That's your massage. And it is illuminated kick plates. It has 3 driver presets. As you look down here, you're going to see that it has 14,647 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your trip computer, your push to talk, your cruise control, your stereo controls all right there. Come over here, you got your push button start. I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. And this dual panoramic sunroof, we're going to go ahead and have it close up so that we can see everything a little bit better. Okay. As you come down here, you got your 2- and 4-wheel drive, your trailering controls, and you'll see that it has both cooled and heated front seats. Your Ford Select shift, and your shifter. Then of course you have your key fob with push button start, and then over here you've got your USB ports and phone charging station. So you do have another 110 volt outlet there as well. And let's see, we've got navigation, so we can jump for full screen navigation. Then for audio, we'll go ahead and turn that down so you can hear me just fine. And then there are your sources of AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Your phone, your apps, your settings. And then if you want to see the backup camera, it is also equipped with a 360-degree cameras. So all super handy. Come down here, and then you're going to have your glove compartment and additional stowage. That about wraps it up for this F-150 Limited on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here up front that affected from the driver's front quarter panel to the passenger's front quarter panel, and a little bit over there by the tailgate. The airbag's deployed, but there is no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.